Seen from space, the Earth is a place of extremes. The hot equator and the frigid poles vary by 70 degrees Celsius. This plus and minus of temperature pushes air and water around the globe, driving invisible mechanisms that support life in the most unexpected ways. One of the best examples occurs in the cold, dark waters of the Southern Ocean at 60 degrees south. These are the screaming 60s, the roughest seas on the Earth. Here, storms and persistent winds whip the ocean into a ceaseless frenzy, moving 130 million tons of water every second. All this is powered by the movement of heat from the equator to the poles. But these harsh seas also hold a surprising secret that affects almost the entire world. To understand why means traveling still further south, to the underside of the planet. Antarctica is 1.5 times the size of the USA. It's in continuous darkness for almost 6 months of each year. In winter, temperatures can drop below minus 80 degrees Celsius. This hostile place remains the Earth's last great wilderness. But there are a few people here, scientists who are unraveling Antarctica's secrets. Adding to the data gathered by the satellites above, the scientists are searching for the global significance of this frozen place. They have found that a unique set of circumstances make Antarctica especially cold. In turn, this super low temperature plays a vital role in supporting all kinds of life, even in lush jungles thousands of miles away. These images are made by piecing together the data from 17 different satellites as they look down on Antarctica. They reveal a massive weather system endlessly circling the entire continent. The huge whirlwind is driven by the rotation of the Earth. As warm, moist air migrates south, it is spun around and around, forming a gigantic invisible system called the polar jet. The relentless wind drives the seawater below. The Southern Ocean is the only circle of latitude in the world with no land. As a result, a huge circular current spins incessantly, 11,000 kilometers in diameter. The strongest, most persistent ocean current on the planet. It's the combination of vapor, water, wind, and the shape of the Earth that makes the 60s scream. The polar jet is so powerful, it isolates Antarctica from the rest of the world, preventing much warmth or moisture from reaching the interior, creating the world's driest, windiest place. Here, blizzards are caused by wind lifting snow from the ground, rather than precipitation from the sky. The dense, frigid air, a direct result of the polar jet, keeps the entire continent extremely cold. And in winter, the harsh conditions trigger a life-sustaining process that takes place beneath the ice. Here, hidden from view, something extraordinary happens that affects the whole world.